These are the two pillow templates offered by Rowley Company. The one on the left, you get a 2-in-1. This is a round and a square pillow template. Makes wonderful square pillows, gives you a little bit of a dog ear effect on the side, but works well with the down insert because that insert tends to really fill those corners out well. The other template offered is the tapered corner pillow template. You can see it's a different shape on the outside, and it offers you a square pillow without the dog ears, wonderful for a polyfill. I'm going to demonstrate now how to use each of these templates. So now let's actually use the square and round pillow template. It is clear so you can easily see where the center of your pattern is going to be. Now I want to center one of these flowers, so I just move my template to where I want it to be. And the directions that come with this call for putting one pin in that center spot. However, I have found that if you do 3 pins, and you kind of triangulate them, your pillow template's not going to move very much off mark when you use it. This particular template does not have seam allowances in it included. So if you wanted to cut a 12-inch round pillow, you actually need to go to the 13-inch mark. Very easily, simply put your marker on the 13 and you're going to spin the entire template around. And that would be your cut line. Now to make a square pillow with this template, simply go to the size that you want, step up one more step. So let's say we want to make an 18-inch pillow. I have to add for my seam allowance, so I'm going to go 19. What I want to do is follow that line down to my corners, follow it across to the next. So I'm going to mark all 4 corners. And then you would simply remove your template and connect the lines with a ruler. So very easy to use. Just remember that this pillow template does not include your seam allowances. This is our tapered corner pillow template. Now again, it's clear, so it's very easy to see where you want to center your motif. I've done a little hint here and put an actual mark where the center of the template is so that I can easily move this right to where I want it to be. Now that mark does not come on your template. This particular template too also gave you a note that tells you your 1/2-inch seam allowance is included in each size, so do not step up a size on this particular template. I'm going to go ahead and cut for a 12-inch, which means I simply find the 12-inch line, and I'm going to follow all of the little openings in the template. So I'm going to have 1 on each corner and then 2 in the middle of each corner. It's very important that you color in all of the lines because we have to connect them. And if you missed it, it's going to be hard to find. So now that I have all of the openings for a 12-inch pillow marked, I'm going to slip this off the fabric and go ahead and connect those lines. And you'll notice when I get just maybe 2 sides of this connected that it does not give you a square on your fabric. It actually gives you the cool taper. And that's what, when you sew it up, that's what's going to give you those nice square corners because the excess fabric is taken up in the bulk of the pillow. So on this template, just remember, do not add for your seam allowances.